Hi guys, Aslam here from the Dog's Bollocks. Today we're going to be showing you how to ceramic coat your car in literally a minute using our brand new hose-on zero faff ceramic coating. Unlike most DIY ceramic coatings, which are an absolute pain in the ass to apply, all you do is plug this into your hose pipe and wash it on. Let's show you how it's done. So guys, as you can see, we've got a nice clean car ready to wash on some Dog's Bollocks zero faff ceramic coating. First step to do is just hose down the car with some water. Now what we're going to do is introduce the ceramic coating into the water stream by using the black dowel here and just rinsing it on. Now we're going to turn off the black dowel and just rinse it off with water again. And that's literally it, guys. This whole side of the car is ceramic coating already applied to it.
Really?
Take a closer look. So guys, as you can see, there's already intense beading of water on the car. Let's see what happens if we put some water on it. So guys, as you can see, water just runs straight off it, as will dirt and grime when you apply zero faff ceramic coating to your car. That was literally it. It took me 30 seconds to apply the whole side of the car. Now all that's left to do is dry it, get in it, send it, have fun and live your life. Life's short, time is valuable and limited. Just spend as little time doing stuff like this and more time having fun. If you want to get some, you can check out thedogsbollocks.com. That's the DGSBLX.com. Follow us on Instagram at thedogsbollocks. And now stop wasting your time and go have some fun. Cheers, guys.